Hello students, in our last video we learned about binary system and addition in binary system. Now let's learn about subtraction in binary system. So there are four rules of subtraction. So 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1, subtraction, we are talking about subtraction. So the rules are 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 1 minus 0 equals to 1, then number 3, 1 minus 1 equals to 0, and then number 4 is 10 minus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, now it can be written as or 0 minus 1 is equals to 1, then 1 borrow from the previous one. Let's do one example, then you will understand. First let's do an easy one. Example 1, let's minus this one. Okay, so for the simplicity of solving, we will divide it in some columns. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, it is also 1, it is also 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 1 1 1 0. This is the answer. Then let's do another one. 1 0 1 1 by 1 0 1. This is the minus 1. So again let's divide it in columns. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we cannot minus 0 from 1. 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So what we have to do, we have to take this borrow 1, borrow from here. So when the 1 will go there, it will become 0 and this will become 10. Okay, and it will be 0, it will be 10. Now see, in binary 10 means 2. In binary 10 base 2 equals to 2. So how this happens, you can check. 2 into 1 is 2, remainder is 0. So 1 0 10 in binary is equals to 2 in decimal. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now this 0 will come here, so the answer is 110 base 2. So let's do another one. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 minus 1 1 1. Let's do this one. Okay, minus 1. So let's again divide them in columns. Okay, now 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So what do we have to do? We have to take borrow. So we first have to borrow from here. Since this one is also 0, so we cannot borrow 1 from here. So we have to borrow from here. Okay, so the 1 from here will go there. So this will become now 0 and this will become 10. Okay, first since we have to do this minus, so again we have to take one borrow from here to here. So we have to take. Now as we have discussed, 10 in binary is 2. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So if I take out borrow 1 from here to here, this will be 10. This will become 10 and here it will remain only 1. Here only 1 will remain and this will become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1, then 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then again here 0 minus 1 we cannot do, so we have to take borrow from here again. So this will be 10 and this one will be 0. So 10 minus 1 is 1. Again 0 minus 1 we cannot do, so we have to take borrow from here. Since this is also 0, so we have to take borrow from this one. Now again similar process, 1 will go this one will become 0 and this one will become 10. Since we have to take borrow from here again, so this will become 10 and this will become 1. Okay, so 10 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, this will be 0. So the answer is 11010. Okay, this is the answer. So I hope you understand. Now let's learn multiplication. Multiplication in binary system. So there are 4 rules also here. 0 into 0 is equals to 0. Number 2, 1 into 0 is equals to 0. Number 3 rule is 0 into 1 is equals to 0, and number 4, 1 into 1 is equals to 0. This multiplication is actually very simple. So one example is 1 1 into 1 1. Okay, so what do you have to do? Let's take okay, 1 into 1 is 1 and 1, then 1 into 1 is equals to 1 and 1. So this will come 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, borrow will be 1, so 1 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so 1 0 0 1. Another example 1 0 1 0 1 and into 1 0 1 0. Now first we have to multiply with this 0. So 0, put all the values as 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 0 0 0 0. Now 1, put the same value, 1 0 1. Now for here also put 0 first. Now for here also put the same value, 0 1 0 1. Okay, this is 1. Now we have to just add them. We have to apply the addition. So 0 will come here, 0 0 plus 1 is 1, triple 0 is 0, then 1 plus 1 is 0. There is 1 carry here, 1 carry here, so this will be 1, and 1 plus 1 is again 0, 1 will be carry, so 1 will come here, and the last one is 1. So the answer is this one. Okay, so this is how we do the multiplication. I will do another one example for you. Suppose the answer equation is 101 into 101. Okay, so when we multiply with 1, just put the same value, because 1 into anything is the same. Then which is 0 0 0 0, then again into 1 1 0 1. So just add 1 0 1 1 0, carry is 1, then 1 will come here, then 1 1 1 0 0 1. So this is the answer, and this is how we do binary multiplication. Now let's do division in binary. Now there are no rules, no different rules for division in binary. It is same like the division in decimal system. So one example is 1 1 divide 110 by 10. So what do we have to do? We have to do the division like the decimal system, 10 then 110. Okay, now 10 into 1 equals to 10. So now we have to do subtraction with this. So 1 minus 0 is equals to 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so we will not put 0 here. Okay, then this 0 will come down. So 10 into 1 is equals to 10. So the answer is 1 1. Okay, another example 1 1 1 0 1 1 by 1 1. So solution will be 1 1 1 0 1 1. Now we have to multiply this with 1. Now remember, in binary system division you cannot multiply anything into 2. So it is what in case here, since 11 is bigger than 10 obviously, so we have to take this first 3 digits. Now you may think that we can multiply it 8 times 8 into 88, or 99 9 times 9, 11 into 9 equal to 99, which is smaller than 99, but this is not the case. Okay, we can only multiply it with 1 or 0. Okay, so we have to take this value and multiply 1 times. Okay, then we have to minus 1 minus 0 is 1, 10 minus 1 is 1. So we get this. Now the take down this value 1, so again 1 0 1. So similarly 11, and then put 1 1 here, so what will be left? 0 1. So we have to write the answer as quotient 1 1, remainder 1 0. This is the answer. Okay, and please do not forget to give the base, write the base. Okay, one more example for you. 11101 by 101. Now we can take these first 3 values 1 0 1, then let's minus. If we minus, we will get 0 1 0 1. Next, take down here 100. Now see, this 100 is smaller than 101, so we cannot multiply it 1 times, means 1 into 101 will be bigger than this value. So we have to do what? We have to take this one also down. Since we are taking this one down, we have to put a 0 here. Okay, and now we can multiply it 1 times, so 1 0 1, and the remainder will be 0 1, and sorry 0 0 is 0 and 1. So the answer is quotient 101, remainder 1002. Okay, so this is how you have to do binary addition, subtraction, divisions and multiplication. Now a very important question for your exams from chapter 3. We will conclude chapter 1 here, so let's go to chapter 3. Apply invertendo, componendo and dividendo sequentially in the ratio 2:3 is equals to 8:12. There may questions come like this, so this is very important for your exam. So let's solve. আমাক কি কৰিব দিছে, এই তিনিটা বস্তু sequentially ইয়াত apply কৰিব দিছে. So 2/3 equals to 8/12. Now applying invertendo, it will become, implies 3/2 equals to 12/8. Applying invertendo, what was invertendo? A by b equals to c by d. Then if a by b equal to c by d, then b by a equal to d by c. This was invertendo. Okay, so we have applied invertendo. Now let's apply componendo. So componendo will be componendo will be, invertendo is finished. So let's apply componendo. So 2 by 3 equal to 8 by 2, 8 by 12. We have written the original ratio. Now applying componendo was, the formula was, if a by b equals to c by d, then a plus b by b equals to c plus d by d. This was the rule of componendo. So what do we have to do? 2 plus 3 by 3 equals to 8 plus 12 by 12. By solving we get 5 by 3 and 20 by 12. So this is the componendo. Okay, then we have to apply dividendo. Sorry, this one we can make it smaller. We can write it as implies 5 by 3 equals to, now if I divide it 2 times, 10 into 6, again 2 times, 5, 3. So you can see 5 by 3 is 5 by 3. So just keep it like this, 2 by 20 by 12. Okay, then dividendo, let's again write the original ratio, 2 by 3 equal to 8 by 12. Then applying dividendo, 2 minus 3 by 3 equals to 8 minus 12 by 12. Dividendo was, if a by b equals to c by d, then a minus b by b equals to c minus d by d. This was the formula of dividendo. So upon applying dividendo, we get minus 1 by 3 equals to minus 4 by 12, implies 1 by 3 equals to 4 by 12. So this is the answer, and this is how you can do the problem. So all the best for your exams. I will see you after the exam. Okay.